upcoming power dance competition, preparations po namin, criminology students, syempre, we give time and naghanap po kami ng participants. And every practice, we make sure that every practice may natatapos kami. Struggles po namin, syempre, yung pagbabalance ng time within ACADS po namin, then performance po namin for the upcoming power dance. Kasi hindi naman po lahat ng students marunong sumayaw, pero at the end of the day naman po, natapos po namin siya. It's all about student, different circumstances, challenges ng isang student, kung ano ba talaga yung napagdadaanan nila. And message ko po sa lahat ng mga kasama po sa sayaw sa power dance competition, good luck po sa ating lahat, and huwag po natin kalimutan na i-enjoy lang po yung sayaw.